Hey everyone, it's Nolan from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we're going to be talking about why some junipers turn brown in the winter and why some don't, and why they turn brown at specific times of the year. We filmed this video in the span of 2 months. The first section of it is from November 2025. The update is from today, January 8th, 2026. So within 2 months, you kind of see some junipers turn brown faster than others, and we'll show some examples of that. But don't be scared if your juniper turns brown. That's a normal process of it going dormant. And keep in mind, here in Seattle, we've had really mild winters. I think for the most part, it stayed in the 50s. There's a couple of days where it dropped to like 32 for like a couple hours at like 3 to 4 a.m. But for the most part, it stayed pretty mild. It may be different in your area. If you're in the northeast United States where there's a lot of snow, your junipers are probably more brown than the ones that you see in the video. Let's take a look at some examples of junipers turning brown. So don't throw away your trees. It could just be dormant.
Hey everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. Today we're going to introduce you the Pacific Northwest. Now the day is November 14.
And just so you can see, according to Google, what is today's date? Friday, November 14th.
So, the Procumbina juniper, also the other tree too, they will have a different reaction. Procumbina juniper, most of them like the green right now, and they're going to change the color pretty soon. It's really dependent on the weather. And you can see not much different compared with 2 months ago, because the wind situation right here and is different than the other location. But definitely this one will be turned browner color and getting to the real dormant season. We don't have a frost right now in Seattle, but as soon as they get frost, that will be turned different color pretty soon. This is the Procumbina, but it's different ages, and the color you can see already turned a little bit dull color instead of the green. But if you're looking at the bottom part, let me raise things up. So the bottom's still green,
Like very dark green.
very dark green, still fresh. But the top of them, you can see it's a lot slightly different.
And just to confirm again, today's date is Friday, November 14th. So we'll see what it looks like in a few weeks.
Yep. Today is the follow-up the tree, the juniper. Earlier we talking about getting to the winter, and today is the date, and
Today is Thursday, January 8th, 2026. So it's about 2 months later.
and the weather is mild, not really cold right now in Seattle area, but if you get the frost, this will be turned brown faster. But you can see some of the plant already turned brown, little bit brown color compared with this juniper here. It's dependent on the tree, where they grow, what area, direction, and the wind also related with. But don't think your tree is getting died. But looking at the bottom of the tree, you see here is the same color, is a green. But looking at the one on the top is a different.
And some of you may be wondering, why is my juniper turning brown? Some turn faster than others. So let's take a look at the other ones.
Let's take a look at this one here. And this every year, this is old tree already. They've been here for 15, 20 years already. And we love this tree, but they will turn the different color.
This one always turns brown in the winter, right?
Yes.
Just to check again, what is today's date? Friday, November 14th. And we'll see what this looks like.
Let's compare this tree with the 2 months ago. It's not much change yet. You can see it's still green, and the color still pretty good. And the older tree probably need a little bit colder temperature to turn brown like the one we saw before. But tree and trees will be different. You need to check it out, your tree. And the best way, looking at the bottom part right here, is green.
This is super healthy.
Yeah.
And we haven't had a frost yet here in Seattle. So once we get that frost, that thing will probably turn brown.
This is another one, Percabanana juniper. This plant did not turning the brown like the other one. So if you put that plant in the different position, sometimes because under the cover or climate on the corner there is not that pretty cold, that probably different. So, but I would like to show you, because we get the people calling, oh, my juniper is turned brown. We want to make sure it's not that tree. This is how to check that. To check on the bottom part. And again, today is November 14, which is temperature right now is not bad.
50 something.
50, around 50, which is.
And this juniper is always in the shade area, so it's not exposed to like sun or that much frost. So that could also be a reason why this one does not turn brown.
When we're talking about the 50 is 50 Fahrenheit, is approximately 13 Celsius.
Okay, let's see what this looks like in a few weeks too.
This is another tree 2 months ago. We filmed it in our video. You can see it's not much change yet, but the color slightly changed to the dull color. Is not like a green, and that's mean the tree getting to the dormant season pretty soon.
What about the backside, underside?
It's almost same color, almost same color.
It's not as crisp green as 2 months ago.
Yeah. So remember, check your tree, and some of the trees is turned brown right now, and depend on location, depend on the weather. Check it out and see if you make sure before getting to the winter, make sure fertilize your tree, that then get the rest, and waiting for the next spring, then will become back a pretty good healthy tree.
Don't bring it indoors where it's warm.
Don't bring it indoor. Yes, don't bring it indoor, please. This is a juniper, is a native outdoor plant. This is a Simpaku juniper, and the one brown color on the top right here, this is the one directly get the cold weather, but the green part right there, which is hiding the behind it on the display right there, so they're showing two different color, but you can see it is starting to turn brown, and
the bottom of it, bottom of it is more green.
Let me turn this way. See here,
super green from the side.
This is a Simpaku juniper. You can see the color is quite different.
This one turned brown really fast.
And also the location right here, there's a lot of wind around it. It's colder temperature, but looking at the bottom part is a green.
Super green. So if you're wondering if your juniper turning brown is dormant or diseased, flip over to the bottom side. If it's green, it's healthy. And if it's brown, something's probably wrong with it. Let's look at the other ones.
I planted this tree only like a 1 year right here. They already crossing almost 4 different seasons, but getting winter right now, you can see the color green, and this one also already turned a little bit different color, because this is under no cover at all, but the bottom part you can see is a really green. So this is a healthy plant. Let's see a couple of weeks later what's his reaction. This one here you can see under full no cover on the top. It's just this corner right here pretty open, and the temperature I believe is quite different, but you can see here the brown color, but looking at the bottom part, green. Look at this, green. It's green.
It's not fully brown dormant, but it's definitely more dull.
Yeah, the color is not that green anymore. So, and even the side right here, I have one sample right here, same thing, you can see, but the bottom green.
And fun fact, this whole rock piece used to be a fountain, but we took off all the plastic pieces and parts and turned it into this.
So we saw this information. Don't worry about your juniper turn brown, but make sure and looking at the bottom part is the green, and then that's mean the tree is ready for the dormant season. And you still need before the getting full dormant season, you probably can get the fertilizer first and let them get the dormant season, take a rest, and will be next springtime, probably late February or March, you can see the tree going back to the green color again. If you like this video, you're welcome to share with your friend. Click like and subscribe. Hopefully we can give you more information for the other information of the bonsai. And see you again every Friday. Thank you.